So for the ones that are a bit confused, this is a sneak peek of a Thomas Take and Play review video that I'm doing, and that's in production. But I'm not going to upload it today because I'm busy with other stuff for the rest of the week. And these are just deleted scenes of me trying out motorized talking engines on it. And I didn't include them in the final cut and decided to scrap them because they would make the video a bit too long. So take these scenes at the moment and you might see the video on the weekend. Apologies for that. Sorry, but I have to try this.
Here comes Thomas.
He's making it. Okay, let's try it again.
Absolutely. Bye, friend. Busted bolts.
This need to work better. Yeah. This needs to. I wonder for how much longer my sanity will last.
I'm recycling garbage for fuel.
That was weird. Okay, now the batteries want to play up with me. Yeah! I charged these things, dang, like last night. Freaking give up. Come on. You can do it. You're up to it. Oh my god.
Well, what do you know?
Right, the battery connections on the CGI ones are a bit loose, so I don't have too much hope for this one. Quite wobbly. I think it's stuck here.
Ganchos colgantes.
Oh, the design is different.
Puedo ser una locomotora útil.
Alright, last one. I cannot bother with Percy at the moment, so. Oh my god. Yeah, with the coupling rods, you should be a bit more of a sloppy runner.
Cinders and ashes.
Last time before I lose my mind.
Finley, firebox. Full steam ahead.
Appropriate reaction. What the frick? Oh god. I'm making over a full loop. Oh,